Want to buy Ethereum instantly with Revolut? Here's how you can do it fast. Open the Revolut app and make sure your account is verified with ID and payment details added. On the home screen, tap on crypto and search for Ethereum, which is ETH. Next, tap Buy. Choose the amount you want and pick your funding source, debit card, Revolut balance, or linked bank account. For instant purchases, using your card or Revolut balance works best. Confirm the details, tap Buy Now, and within seconds the Ethereum will appear in your Revolut crypto wallet. If you want to move your Ethereum out of your Revolut, go to Send, enter your external wallet address, double check it's correct, and hit Transfer. Keep in mind, Revolut may charge a small fee for withdrawals. And that's it. In under a minute, you can buy Ethereum instantly with Revolut and have it ready to trade, hold, or transfer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.